Nature. Webster's dictionary defines nature in the broadest sense as equivalent to the natural, physical, or material world or the universe. It is also something that good old Mother Earth has provided us.
You know, I really like being out here in the nature when I eat my food. It's really nice. The fresh air makes my food taste that much better.
When I eat outside, it really makes me feel like I am one with nature. I love watching the birds fly, feeling the cool breeze, the sunshine on my skin, the ants in the grass. It's amazing. I love eating outside.